guys, welcome back to another vlog. So we are now here at Hong Kong International Airport and ayun, so this is my second time here in Hong Kong and ayun, I hope na I can enjoy it much better kasi it's way back 2022 pa and parang nung nag-visit ako, kaka-open na ng doors for travelers no pandemic and I'm with love. Ayan, so done na kami with the immigration and everything. So, punta lang kami to get our package. Actually, I was surprised na hindi siya hindi kami nag-train going here sa may immigration and ano. Kasi, last time I visited here, parang I have to ride the train pa with my friends yun. So, ayun lang. We're just gonna find our baggage and maghanap kami ng octopus card na and then we'll go na to Bangkok in our hotel. So guys, next thing kasi na ginagawa namin usually is mag-withdraw. Siyempre, bago tayo kumuha ng octopus card, kailangan natin ng cash. So, nag-compare kami dito sa Travelex, yung money exchange dito, and at the same time, nag-withdraw kami sa HSBC. So for Travelex, it's 8.67 per Hong Kong dollars. And then for HSBC, lumabas lang siya ng ilan daw? 7.1. So imagine how lugi you are if mag-money exchange ka, magdala ka ng peso. So don't forget na better na mag-ATM. Pero take note na 2,500 each KD lang per transaction. Kaya na kasi we're trying na 5K per transaction. Nag-reject. So akala namin card namin yung problema or what. Pero ayun, better talaga na ATM withdrawal. Same thing with yung Thailand namin recently. So you can use your GCash, BDO, GoTime. Pero ang best talaga is si GCash and si GoTime. Guys, we're now here na sa pagbilihan ng octopus card. It's right in the middle of the arrival hall. So, hanapin nyo lang. And very friendly sila ngayon, surprisingly. Last time kasi I visited here, medyo masungit agad-agad. So, siguro mababait na yung mga nakakufit namin or what. Pero, each octopus card is like 200 HKD and 150 yung laman niya. And then yung 50 is parang deposit. You can still return the octopus card if aalis ka. If gusto mo siya, ayaw mo lang souvenir. Pero you can still use it if babalik ka dito. So, para hindi ka na-hassle na bibili ka ng octopus card. Then, pwede rin siyang pambili sa mga 7-Eleven and everything. So, yun. So, ngayon, we'll be finding the A21 bus going to our hotel. So, we are checked-in at Metro Park, Bangkok. So, it's near the shopping center. Hopefully, wala kami mabili. So, let's go!
Lumipad ang aming king.
So guys, ayan. Paglabas naman ng airport, very madali lang hanapin and we'll just find doon tayo magbubuk din pala sa Metro Park ng Bangkok. Punta kayo 821 tapos drop off na lang doon sa area. It's very nice. So one bus away from the pero may option naman for train kaso pasa-pasa. So para hindi hassle. Saka para na-discover na-experience nila yung bus. Try natin. Hopefully din na tayo sa second floor. Tapos yung sa harap para makita mo yung view. So yun, it's around roughly around 12 almost an hour pala. Tapos yun, pwede nyo paggamit dito is yung iCo. Tapos ayan, ayan na yung bus. Tapos every 8 minutes yung dumarating. Tapos guys, sa baba pala niyan, merong lagay ng luggage. So, if may kakilala kayo, pwedeng may mag-ayos ng luggage yun. Tapos, may upo na sa taas. Yung gusto mo sa taas talaga. So, yun. Tapos, yun, para lang secure, nilagay talaga siya ng luggage. Let's go. guys, we're now here at the bus stop, and actually, that's the bus stop, and this is our hotel. So like, sobrang convenient niya, especially if you have kids siguro and mga seniors. Kasi guys, one bus away from the airport, literal, like super. Tapos, nasa may likod lang nito yung train station, right? So like, super convenient niya. And our hotel is Metro Park Hotel Mongkok. So, let's go and mababa-beach stop lang kami and mag-lunch kami somewhere, mag-store kami dito. Then, let's see kung ano. Pero pwede na mag-lunch stop dito for sure. Let's go! So guys, we are done eating and having coffee. So nag-lunch lang kami sa ano tawag doon? Ichiran, and it was so nice. Pero yun, basically observation talaga namin, talagang makalang Hong Kong. Mas mura pa Japan for us, diba? Tapos nag-coffee kami, and the coffee is nice actually. The place is nice but not so organized. Yan. Pero now, we're just roaming around the Mongkok area. So, para ma-check namin if we want to buy something or ano. Pero, so far, wala. Pero parang mas masaya before itong area na to, yung unang visit ko. Parang hindi ako, walang ganun effect. So, let's go and roam around pa. Marami itong shoes, ganyan. Pero, parang hindi kasi kami naghahanap ng shoes. Yun yung totoo. So guys, we just checked in here at our hotel here at Metro Park Hotel Mongkok. So let's do a quick room tour. So guys, ito yung ating door. Tapos pagpasok nyo, ito yung CR. Of course, walang bidet kasi we're in Hong Kong. Merong tissue, may pa telephone, may pa mirror dito. Very nice siya, very clean. May blower din dito. Tapos at the same time, okay siya. Last time we stayed at iClub nung mga friends ko. Pero this is nice hotel din. And then, meron siyang hot and cold shower. May mga towels. Very generous. Tapos guys, look. Taray, Balman ang mga shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Then, paglabas mo ulit dito, this is a cabinet and meron siya ditong safe sa baba. Meron provided na sleepers, may timbangan. Meron pang extra kumot dito and extra hangers. So, yan. And then, meron dito lagayan ng luggage. Yung luggage namin, yung shoes ni Love, kasi kaka-check-in lang namin. And then, we have TV here. Then, mga free na mga coffee, tea, then kettle. Tapos, dito meron ding refrigerator. Then, ito yung view niya. Yan. Not so bongga yung view. Pero, sobrang okay yan. Kasi, ayun, may Bank of China doon. May mga kainan dyan. May 7-Eleven dyan sa street. And then, this is our bed. Hi! So, ayan si Love. So, we chose the queen size bed. And then, merong working area dito. Merong side table. Tapos, ayan. Make sure lang to bring your own adapter. Kasi iba ang saksakan ng Hong Kong. So, this is a superior room here. We just got upgraded thanks to at reception. And, ayan. Sobrang nice dito. And, for a Hong Kong stay, it's nice. Yun lang sa hallway, medyo may amoy yosi kaming naamoy. Pero sa loob naman ng room, wala. Luckily. And guys, 4 yung unan. I love it. Diba? As a person na may akap lagi, gusto ko maraming unan. So, yun lang. And we're just gonna roam around and let's see what's next in the vlog. Guys, trying out the famous bakehouse. No? Maliit lang siya per like. Ang sarap na. 12.50. So around 80 plus pesos. Pero ang sarap. It's super, no?